Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you 1874 Grassy Road. We are in Milton, Florida, the 32583. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath property at just over 2,200 square feet. We're starting outside, as you can see, and your garage entrance is here on the left of the home. In addition to that, you do also have a large yard building there and a gated entry as well. About 20 minutes to Gulf Breeze from here. Just off Garcon Point. Let's get inside and take a look. This home was built in 2018. You are on a corner lot here, very private. And I'll go ahead and give you a view of your front yard here. So let's get inside. There is wide plank LVP throughout. And as you can see, you're greeted by all these windows, letting in a lot of natural light. Coming into your living room here, you will have a wood-burning fireplace. And just off the living room here, you do have an office area currently being used as a little nursery. Nice windows overlooking your front yard. Coming into your half bathroom here, right off the living room. Great for entertaining. Got a nice single vanity there with lots of storage. And back to the living room here. Right off the living room, you do have your kitchen and dining area. Open floor plan, as you can see. Nice bright kitchen with beautiful quartz countertops. Nice little nook there. Be great for a coffee bar. Farmhouse sink. And your view of the living room there. In here you do have a large walk-in pantry with a pocket door to conceal that if you'd like. And your dining area here, looking over your beautiful backyard. The master bedroom is split, offering a lot of privacy. You've got these beautiful double doors that lead out directly to your backyard. And the bedroom itself, leading right into the primary, but I'll give you a view of those double doors quickly. It's a little gray here today, but it's still very well lit. Coming into your bathroom, you do have tile in here, and you do have a nice freestanding tub, window to let in some light, look over your pine trees. You do have a large standing shower, and a large walk-in closet through there. We do have double vanities in here, so everyone can have their space. And through here you do have a water closet. Has your commode. Once again, a window for lots of light. And a linen closet just off there for you. Wonderful. Okay. And just off this hallway as well, you do have a very large utility room. Lots of storage, as well as a nice utility sink, always nice to have. And your garage will be through there. Your dining nook. Kitchen and living room once again. Your entryway right there. Going to the other side of the home, you will have 2 bedrooms. Nice large window there. Walk-in closet there. Great size full bathroom with a tub shower combo and a beautiful window to let in light just above the shower, but still give you some privacy. Your commode, and then a large double vanity with lots of under sink storage, cabinets, as well as drawers. You have a nice linen closet just off the bathroom here as well. And we'll make it into our third bedroom. As you can see, it's a nice sized bedroom, large walk-in closet, and you do have enough room for 2 twin size beds. And now we go out to the beautiful backyard that has these gorgeous live oaks. You do have a covered patio out here, as well as a screened in patio. So let me get you a view of that. Your primary door is right there. And your screened in patio here. It's nice to have different options, great for entertaining, and the screen in the summer will definitely help. A quick view of your large backyard. Once again, we are on over 12 acres. You do have a little tree house, tree platform there. And just how quiet it is, guys. Once again, this is 1874 Grassy Road in Milton, Florida. Just over 2,200 square feet with the most stunning backyard. Lots of beautiful shade trees. Come check this one out, guys.